Hey guys, welcome back to Pura. So today's video, we're going to be discussing the amazing things that we're going to be making for the month of July. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching. So if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Monica. I am the owner of Pura. I run my hair and skincare business alongside my husband Daniel from our flat in London. So what I've been trying to do is discuss at the beginning of the month what I'm going to be making for the month that we're in. So obviously the month has already started, and the videos that I posted for those months, I think for 3 days, 1st of July to the 3rd, were videos that I had left over from the month of June. And because I've been so busy, I haven't had time to edit videos that I have made that I'm going to be uploading for the month of July. So this weekend is going to be a weekend of editing a lot of videos. And then I'm going to be making some, of course, later on in the month. So what have we got so far that I'm going to be uploading for the month of July? So the things I'm going to be listing here are things that I have already filmed. So videos already be filmed. They just need to be edited. So the first video I'm going to just jump right on into, because I know that subscriber is watching and I really appreciate them watching watching my videos to the end and leaving comments. And they wanted me to make a foot scrub. So I said I was going to make the foot scrub. I left a comment below saying that I have all the ingredients in the house. I'm going to make that at some point. So that is coming up this month. So make sure that you're tuned in and you subscribe and you got your notification bell on so that you are notified. So that's one video. I think it's just foot scrub and that's about it. And then I will be filming a body lotion. I haven't actually made that video yet, so I will make it after I've done a batch of editing on some of the videos that I have made. I've made some lip scrubs with different waxes, so depending on the wax that you have at home, you might be able to make one of these lip scrubs. I also made face oils for different skin issues: mature skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, etc. And I did make a face toner for myself because I run out of face toner so fast. So I made a face toner for myself and I decided to make something different from what I am used to making, because the face toner that I use is the one that I sell because it's so good, it's so amazing. I never want to make anything else, but I decided just for the sake of my YouTube channel, let's do a variation of face toner. So I might make two more in addition to the one that I made. Is an aloe vera face toner. And as always, I'll be making some bath bombs. I did film a video for a bath bomb that I was going to post in the month of June. I haven't edited it, hence the reason I didn't make the June's cut. And that has like an exploding inside and exploding bits on the inside that is going to really bring out a vibrant color. I hope it does. I haven't tested it yet. But yeah, I've got that video of that bath bomb. I might make one or two more. Lip balms as well. I'm going to try and make some that you can put in the tube, as well as the one that of course you can use with your hands as well. And as always, I love writing my formulation videos. So we're going to be writing some formulas. So some of the things that I have mentioned, I have written formulas for them. So I'm going to show you guys how I wrote the formulas for some of these things that I have made. I did write a formula for the foot scrub. I'm not sure for the face oil. I know that I wrote the formula for the face toner. And a few other things as well. So I think there's 4 or 5 formulating videos that are coming up. And there's one video, one formula video that I think I found online. I am so convinced that this recipe might be chat GPT, but I'm not sure. I got it online from someone's account, and we transferred that formula from grams to percent, and that allowed us to be able to scale up the recipe. And then we also made some adjustments to that recipe to make it safe for you to use, for you to give to your friends and family, and for you to be able to sell as well. So stay tuned for that video. And if I haven't mentioned it already, face wash. I love making face washes. I make my turmeric face wash. I did make one that didn't make the June cuts as well. So hopefully I'm going to upload it in the month of July. I'm gonna make an additional one, maybe an aloe vera face wash to go with my aloe vera face toner, or maybe any other toner I'm going to make. I'm gonna make a face wash to go with it, or I might just make a random one. Anyway, but I haven't made it yet. So if you have any idea or suggestions, just leave in the comment below, like which type of face wash you would like for me to make, and if I have any ingredients that I can use to make them, I would definitely make them. What I try to do is, if you suggest something, I'm not going to go out and buy the ingredients to make it. I will make whatever you suggest. If I have it at home, I'll make it with the ingredients that I already have. If I can tweak it, then I would. At the moment, I'm not making enough money for me to run out to go buy ingredients. If you guys want me to be doing those things, make sure you're watching my videos, all my videos from beginning to the end. I'll put my videos on, press play all, and then go about your day and allow for my videos to be playing, to allow for me to be able to make more money, and I can do more for you guys. And I'm not sure if I already said, I'm making a shampoo bar, a conditioning bar. My cruise trip that I did for my anniversary, I've got like a little montage of a video of that trip I'm going to also post as well for this month. So there's a lot of things happening in the month of July. And if I have any orders come in, or you make an order, you want me to package it and film it, let me know. I'll do that for you guys as well. I'll film it, then I'll upload the order. If you want me to mention your name, I'll do that for you as well. So that's gonna be our video for July. I might also do other things I haven't mentioned. So sometimes something comes to me and I'll be like, oh, I need to do that. I am also thinking of making some soaps as well. It's just finding time to do all of these things. We've been so busy. So making stuff, editing, uploading, it's a lot of work. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Smash the notification bell so you're notified when my videos are uploaded. Follow us on all our socials. Shop our website, monelpura.com. Really appreciate you. And if you feel like, oh, I don't have any money to actually shop at the moment, just by you going to monelpura.com is going to allow for traffic to get to the account as well. So the more people that visits the account, the more Google would show it to other people. So that way you're also helping until you have money to be able to buy something from us. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.